Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chlorine in Industrialist Roblox easy method. Open the electrolysis lab and place the saltwater tank, power source, and output pipe before starting the reaction. Connect the electrodes and set power to a steady level to avoid tripping. Monitor gas output and route chlorine into a sealed collector. Adjust flow until production is stable and decline is prevented. To start, you will collect the core items and stage them logically for quick assembly. Position the tank near the generator and run corrosion-resistant piping to the collector. Install a monitoring meter to read gas production and add spare power cells for uninterrupted runs. Keep a maintenance kit close to replace electrodes quickly. This setup minimizes downtime and helps maintain steady chlorine output for continuous use in your factory. Begin assembly by mounting the electrodes inside the tank and routing piping to the sealed collector. Connect the generator and start electrolysis at low power, then slowly raise output while watching the meter. Seal each joint carefully and run a short test to detect leaks or instability. If bubbles form irregularly, reduce power and recheck connections. Once production is steady, log settings and schedule routine checks to keep chlorine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.